Hello friends, in this video I shall show how to create a template and request a digital signature using DocuSign. So let's start. This is the main page of the DocuSign. I have created my account and this is the home page. So go to the template section and create a new template. Create a new template. Upload the file. It may be PDF, Word file or any image. I have downloaded image. This will work as a template. Enter the placeholder, suppose 1, customize it, add name and email. So email pandenandancc@gmail.com, this one, and I want that this user signs the document, and I will add another placeholder, name it as 2, and I want that this user receives a copy, and customize it with name and email. Name and email is, this is my another email. Okay, so finally what we have did, created 2 users. One will sign the document and another will receive the copy. So next, and this is the image. Okay, this is my template. You can choose any template of your own and you can design also. I am not designing it, so simply choose this template, and I want that this is the signature part and this is the date signed here. Okay, and this is the name and this is the text. I have added 4 fields: full name, text, sign and date signed. Full name is automatically taken by the application. This text is user input field, so user will add the data here, and sign is also user input field, and this is the date signed. This is the automatically filled at the time of the application is being opened or it is signed. And then do next. This is the whole template you can view here, and I want that message should be go like, please sign docs. This is the email subject, and enter the email message, please sign it as soon as possible. Okay, and this is the summary. You can change the name of template for identifying. It can be any name of your choice, my template, and you can see that this email, and after that save template. Now you can see that template has been created here, and I want to use this template, so use it. Send it. Go to the emails. You can see I have received one email here and another email account. Here is another email. So this email is for signing the document. So open it, and I am going to sign the document. And you can see that here is the email subject and here is the email message. Okay, so go and sign the document, review document. Continue, and you can see that this name is filled by the application automatically, and this is the date on which I have opened the link to sign, and you can choose the signature from here. Adopt new, adopt and sign, and enter the name here, Nandan Pandey, and finish it. No thanks. And after that you can see that I have received another email because I am the receiver of the copy also. So you can see that after submitting the document by another user, I am also getting the copy of that document. So view completed document, you can see field details here. Okay, this one. In this way, one user can sign the document and another user can view the signed document.